All right, I'm back, and now I can actually talk. So, I had to close all the tabs because I restarted the. Well, I updated the iTerm finally. Had postponed it for 2 days. Was postponing it, and yeah, time to do it. So all the tests are passing here, but this is wrong. I realized. Look at this. Put call has. No, it's all correct. There are the same errors here. Yeah. And these calls are not concerning put, they are concerning something else, which is not the case at all. Nice. Yeah. Some of this we might be able to test indirectly later, but let's just finish the first thing, shall we? I'm always jumping to something else. So multiput. Why did I want multiput? This is the thought I had coming back with the bike between the last part of the episode and this one. Because I'm doing put here, dialog length from to. But for example, right? So much that I need multiput. Because I say I want it here, right? Can't I just put set dialog length 1 to all of this? No, I think the issue was with this stuff. That I conditionally wanted to put some stuff here. And also, I have my doubts whether we really need multiput now. So much that I wanted it, and now that I have it, because it's basically working, right? Wait, actually I tested. I didn't test it, but I think the approach is gonna work. So the issue here is like, when did I say I want it? I was putting multiple things. Yeah, here. Like, what's the problem with doing two different puts? I don't know. I don't see a problem there. Why do I need multiput? Do I really need it? Here in the loop. This is a good case. Yeah, we have to have one, put this. Yeah, it basically allows you to organize like something that if you're just putting things flat, 1, 2, 3 you're putting, and then 4 you're putting something that you're doing something else, you're not having levels of scale. Whereas instead you could just do, well, you could also do a sequence, right? That says, okay, put. Okay, and I think I'm going to add it. Do I really need? It's not I, it's we. Someday. You be. Oof. 1p. 2v. Now what am I doing? 1p. No, what am I doing? 2. Oof. There. I'm very far. Yeah, it's cleaner. Yeah, it's cleaner. Maybe that could be a general pattern. When you pass a list to put or to a call, you basically get. Perhaps this is a good pattern. Perhaps this is a good pattern to repeat. When you pass a list to certain calls, it's like making that call sequentially to each of the elements of the list. However, this is really a map. It really have to be baked in. Could be something like this. Well, in the case of loop, I cannot do it, right? Because how am I going to implement loop with multiput if I don't have multiput? I can't. But let's say I would. It would be something like you would just pass hashes, right? Yeah, but what do you distinguish one or the other? You can't. Now I would just pass the list. You would do loop. Basically a list. And then the do would be put. Really, you could do that. Yeah. I'm thinking, huh? No, I think I'm not going to do it. Yep. No multiput. I don't like breaking the symmetry with the get. It's not much code, it's 9 lines, right? Yeah. I'm not going to do multiput. We can just use a loop later. I don't want things to be baked in the main calls. This was the implementation state. On the top of the function. All right. Well, I might come back and say I was wrong, but for now, boom. This test goes away. These validations are fine. Get and put is great. Are we still running here? Yes. Beautiful. Sunday morning. Sunday morning. So where were we? Yes. Episode 20 what? 23, look at that. So the multiput, excuse me, goes away. The put with error I did. There's no get with error, so we can continue our merry way, right? Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Okay. Get with context. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Is it 3? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I even had it here. Look at that. So let's think these ones. I'm actually very excited about writing these tests. I mean, of course, I have the nagging feeling that this is taking forever, nobody's using it, blah, blah, blah. But if we go into the actual heart of the matter, this is going. I'm very happy about this. Look at the multiput that I wanted here. That's why I wanted the multiput. To be able to say I'm just doing this at once because I don't have any looping. But you know what? Just deal with it. I think for now we can deal with it. It's all good. I'm almost regretting it. Yeah, this is actually a humorous channel masquerading as a serious channel. So, man, it's one great song after the other. So we'll have 10, 20, and 30. So we're gonna do no color, my friend. So we're gonna set price to like have a set of prices for 30, 20, and 10. Now, what am I doing? There is no end. Color, my friend, come back to me. Color, my friend. But you know what would be useful in the put? To be able to do this, right? Just V, and they say do this, do this, do this, and then the stuff would get basically placed completely into the top level. So basically pass no path, pass an empty path. Basically like that. I mean, you risk forgetting it, right? But this would effectively give you multiput at the top level. Should I do this? Because it would be something like this. Price. You have the friend's price and then the you taking the risk. My friend, could we do this? Just put this, all of this into the main one. There is no end. Yes, we have to do this because it's the Redis way. Although probably the author of Redis might not be agreeing with me, but if you pass something that is empty, it should still work. That's why you don't have to have any special code for initialization. So if I relax that in tell put, so what I can do is something like this. If I do node, yeah, you get that. No. It's just a validation, it's not the way you do it. Left side. Just a minute. Let's turn that off. Yeah, multiple paths for sure. What we could do here is value. Sorry, something's going on here. Yeah. With a value v and an optional path. This is basically me creating global variables here. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, with path value and an optional path. This one. And now, is it passing? Yeah, well, the get good context is fading, but that's afterwards. Why is it fading? Actually, it shouldn't fade. Ah, yeah, because it should be. All right, I think that works. All right. Why am I getting this? Ah, because it's the other one. So I need to fix the old tests, right? Yes, I do, until I remove them. I'm gonna start getting lazy here, but it's okay. So I have the other tests. Good. Actually, I can start commenting out whatever I pass to the other one. Good. Any songs were in this record? Yeah. Let's write one more. So now, is this working now? See who can verify that three prices are initialized. Perfect, it worked. Wait, I need to comment. Annotate, I mean, sorry. No, what am I doing? I'm doing things in the wrong place. That's what I'm doing, right? Yes, of course I am. It's okay. No, this one, yeah. Optional. He can be absent, in which case we'll default to an empty path. This allows you to write multiple at the top, not here, multiple things, values at the top level. Yeah, that was a good call. The multiput, I think it wasn't, but this one is. And then I also had to change the left side one, right? Yeah. No, this one. Olrait. Now we annotated, we can continue. Is it me or things are starting to move a little bit faster? I have to say I'm in love with this thing. It's just exactly what I needed, I think. And just what I needed actually remind me for this. Yes.
wasting all the time. You're so near. I lose my mind. Yeah. So doesn't matter as long as he was deep. Yeah. Goes deep. Outermost price. So far it will be fine. So now for the nice part. So we're gonna do this. I could have done it in the initial one, but I thought it was too much. We can do, we need to set employee gets am I really doing it right? Because the context will be employee, right? Yeah. And put overrides or not? Honestly, I don't know. I do put p employee. Am I overriding everything or not? How do I not know that? I wrote this thing. Actually, I'm just curious. Let's just try. Yeah, because I didn't test for that, right? No, I wasn't overwriting things. Honestly, I should test it somewhere else. Put, sorry, call is put party. No, not this one. And touch with the reward. Yes, thank you for this. If I get everything, what do I get? I know it's not okay. Get everything after overwriting party. What did I do? It's here, right? Yes. Yeah, it overwrites everything. Yeah, I should have known that. I would do, it would be party 1. But seriously, I can just write structured data using pure text. low noise. I didn't have this before. Now we have this. I'm really happy. What can I say? Yeah, I'm really happy. So let's just put the party here. These are actual tests. This is starting to be real. Party to what was it before? Yan. Yep. Open one. And we just restore the party, and everything is fine and dandy. Yes. Oh, I need to stop working, right? Oh, yeah. I'm in love with this world. Try to hide it. So, okay, one I'm gone. I do put employee gets price. Employee gets and so override a prefix. And here I forgot the tag. And why did this work? How did this work? Ah, yeah, it didn't work. Sorry. So I should probably make that a bit more visible. Restore party. Party restore. Yes. All right. And now I set that to price. And now, well, this requires a ton of things. It requires a respond, really. Do I want this on? No, I want this. I want this. Sure. I would get employee gets, and I would get a 20, right? So I'm testing it indirectly through cell call already. Why 15? Because it's 15. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm getting the data. Yeah, let's test it indirectly. All right. I think I'm going to stop here. Thank you for watching.